Let's start with some fruits in the produce section. How about some oranges and apples?
Sure, that sounds good. Let's take 2¼ pounds of each. And we can also grab some bananas since they're on sale. Do you think a bunch will do?
Sure, a bunch is enough. Let's also get some potatoes in bulk. These ones are good for making mashed potatoes.
Sounds perfect. We should buy about 4½ pounds.
Now let's head to the deli counter. What shall we buy from here?
I'm craving a turkey and cheddar sandwich.
Oh, me too. Hi, I'd like ½ pound of turkey and a pound of cheddar cheese, please. Sure thing. Coming right up. Anything else for you? Yes. Could we also get some olives from the olive bar? Maybe a mix of green and black olives? Absolutely. We've got a great variety today. I'll scoop some up for you. Thank you. Here you go. ½ pound of turkey, a pound of cheddar cheese, and a mix of green and black olives. Enjoy. Perfect. Thank you.
It always smells so good in the bakery section. We need some fresh bread and maybe a few donuts for a treat.
Good idea. I love their fresh donuts here.
I'll take 2 loaves of bread, 2 donuts with chocolate glaze, and 2 donuts with sprinkles on.
Sounds perfect.
I think we should get some fresh fish for dinner tonight. Would you like some salmon or maybe some cod?
Let's go with the salmon. It's been a while since we've had that.
Excuse me, could we please have 2 fillets of salmon about 6 ounces each?
Sure thing. Coming right up. Here are your 2 fillets of salmon.
Thank you.
And is there anything else I can get for you from the fish counter?
That should be all. Thank you so much. Let's go to the dairy section now. We need some milk, eggs, and yogurt. Hello, welcome. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm on the hunt for a blue blazer in size M.
Of course, I can definitely help you with that. Follow me, and we'll find the perfect blazer for you. Here are a few blue blazers in size M for you to try on. Let me know if there's anything specific you're looking for.
This one fits perfectly. I love it. Does it come in any other colors?
I'm glad you found one you like. Yes, we do have this style in a few other colors. Let me show you.
Thank you for showing me the other options. I think I'll stick with the blue one. It's exactly what I wanted.
Hi there. How can I assist you today?
I'm looking for a small black bag. Do you have any in stock?
Absolutely. We have a variety of small black bags. Is there a specific style or material you're interested in?
Something simple and classic, preferably in leather.
I have just the thing for you. Follow me, and I'll show you our selection of small black leather bags.
This one is perfect. It's exactly what I had in mind.
I'm delighted that you found what you were looking for. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
Excuse me, do you know where the cinema is?
Yes, of course. You need to head straight down this hall, then take a left at the coffee shop. Keep going straight until you reach the large fountain, and then take a right. The cinema is right there on your left.
Thank you so much. I'm not very familiar with this mall.
No problem at all. It can be a bit overwhelming the first time. Are you going to see a movie?
Yes, I heard they have a new action film playing.
That sounds exciting. Enjoy your movie.
I will, thanks. Oh, one more thing. Where is the food court?
The food court is on the second floor. Once you leave the cinema, just take the escalator up, and you'll see signs pointing you in the right direction. There's a great variety of restaurants there, so you'll definitely find something you like.
Perfect. I was hoping to grab a quick bite to eat after the movie.
You'll have plenty of options there. From fast food to sit-down restaurants, you'll find it all.
Thanks again. I appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy your time at the mall.